First though, here on RTE Radio One at 5 minutes to midnight, it's over to Met Éireann for the RTE weather and sea area forecast with Jerry Murphy.
Thank you very much indeed, Carol, and a very good evening from Met Éireann. Well, at the moment our weather is very settled for this time of year as high pressure dominates, and we see very little change over the coming days, with largely dry, settled conditions continuing up until the end of next Wednesday. However, in the run-up to Christmas it will then become more unsettled with rain or showers at times. Now the rest of tonight will continue mostly cloudy and largely dry. There will be a few clear spells and perhaps a few spots of drizzle. We will see some patches of mist and fog also becoming dense in places, especially in parts of Leinster, so do take care if you're out on the roads. Lowest temperatures of 2 to 6 degrees generally, but where there are any clear breaks it will become that bit colder with some patchy frost. And then tomorrow Sunday will be very similar. Mist and fog will be slow to lift and may well linger in some parts into the early afternoon. The day will be largely dry and mostly cloudy with just a few sunny breaks at times. The temperatures will range from about 5 to 10 degrees with light to moderate easterly breezes, and it will continue coolest where any mist and fog lingers. Then tomorrow night will be very similar to tonight with some patches of mist or fog and lowest temperatures of 3 to 7 degrees. And beyond that then for the early days of the coming week, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday will all continue largely dry with a good deal of cloud and some bright intervals with daytime temperatures between 5 and 9 degrees. However, from Thursday onwards into Christmas Eve and Christmas Day then it will become somewhat more unsettled with some rain or showers at times, and it will become colder also. And now the sea area forecast for the next 24 hours. There is a small craft warning in operation. The meteorological situation at 9 p.m. An anticyclone of 1041 hectopascals centred over northern Scotland maintains a light to moderate, occasionally fresh east to southeast airflow over Ireland. Forecast for coasts from Carnsore Point to Mizen Point to Slinehead. Wind east to southeast, force 4 or 5, later occasionally reaching force 6 between Roches Point and Valentia. Weather mainly fair, drizzle, mist or fog patches possible, visibility mostly good but decreasing moderate or poor in any drizzle, mist or fog. Forecast for coasts from Slinehead to Rosson Point to Fairhead, wind southeast, force 2 to 4, later becoming easterly. Weather mainly fair, drizzle, mist or fog patches possible, visibility mostly good but decreasing moderate or poor in any drizzle, mist or fog. Forecast for coasts from Fairhead to Hothead to Carnsore Point and for the Irish Sea. Wind mainly easterly, force 3 or less, later becoming east to northeast, force 2 to 4. Weather mainly fair, drizzle, mist or fog patches possible, visibility mostly good but decreasing moderate or poor in any drizzle, mist or fog. And the outlook then for a further 24 hours until midnight on Monday. Moderate to fresh east to southeast winds, occasionally strong in the southwest between Mizenhead and Valentia, later becoming southeasterly. Mainly fair weather, but some drizzle, mist or fog patches possible at times. And now the coastal reports at 11 p.m. Mallinhead south 5 knots, recent rain 0.7 miles, 1038 steady. Boy M5 off the South Wexford coast, east-southeast 12 knots. The visibility at Tusker Lighthouse is less than 1 mile, 1036 steady. Roches Point automatic, east-southeast 9 knots, cloudy 7 miles, 1035 steady. Valentia east-northeast 5 knots, cloudy 12 miles, 1034 steady. Belmullet east-southeast 1 knot, cloudy 5 miles, 1037 steady. And finally Dublin Airport east-northeast 6 knots, mist 4 miles, 1037 and steady. And that's the end of the forecast for tonight. From everyone here at Met Éireann, a very good night to you.